Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on website accessibility with AccessiBe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Go to the AccessiBe website. Locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account by entering your email address and a password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Log in to your AccessiBe account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the website you want to make accessible. If you haven't added a website yet, click on the Add Website option. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Choose your preferred accessibility options from the available features. Review the pricing plans to find the one that fits your budget. Select the plan that best suits your needs. Proceed to checkout by entering your payment information. After completing the purchase, return to the dashboard. Here you will see options to customize accessibility settings. Adjust the settings according to your website's requirements. Ensure you enable the AI-powered tools for automated compliance. Once you've made your adjustments, click on Save Changes. Wait for the system to process your settings. You will receive a notification once the changes are live. Visit your website to verify the accessibility features are functioning. Test different elements to ensure a seamless experience for all users. If you encounter any issues, return to the AccessiBe dashboard for further customization. Consider reviewing the analytics to track your website's accessibility performance. Regularly update your settings to maintain compliance with accessibility standards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.